Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to the Hidden Star. Welcome to the Hidden Star. Hit that like button, comment, and subscribe if you like my vibe. Somebody don't want me to talk. Somebody got some of y'all got some of y'all throat is sore. Your baby's throat sore. Somebody throat sore. Something about a throat. Okay. Somebody said back that thing up, baby, cause a little weight don't bother them. Come on now, do you hear me? Who is this telling y'all that? Somebody said back that thing up, baby. They say you gotta be two something just to do something. You hear me? Okay, look at somebody trying to follow y'all.